Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, I can speak English.
सबको लगता है कि इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना बहुत ही मुश्किल है। इसी बात को गलत साबित करने के लिए आज हम ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं। मिलिए पीयूष से। ये सिर्फ 11 साल का है और क्या फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलता है। आप सब सुनेंगे तो शॉक हो जाएंगे। इंग्लिश में कन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ बात है जो हम सब पीयूष से जानना चाहते हैं। तो पीयूष, क्या इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना बहुत मुश्किल है?
नहीं, इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है।
क्या इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए घर पे बहुत टाइम देना पड़ता है?
नहीं, इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए घर पे बहुत टाइम नहीं देना पड़ता।
क्या हम इंग्लिश दाती, चुका चुकी, सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जैसे पुराने तरीकों से सिखाते हैं?
नहीं, आप इंग्लिश पुराने तरीकों से नहीं सिखाते हैं।
नाउ पीयूष, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
Hello, I am Piyush. I am 11 years old. I am in fifth class. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya Vikasiri. I am punctual. My mother tongue is Hindi. My favorite subject is English. There are 6 members in my family. I have one brother and 2 sisters. Their names are Khushbu, Akansha and Vivek. My mother's name is Pushpa Kumari. She is a businesswoman. My father's name is Krishna Prasad. He works in a factory. I love my family so much. That's all about me.
Now some of my students will ask Piyush some questions. Piyush, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you take a bath with supply water?
Yes, I take a bath with supply water.
Is she standing there?
No, she is not standing there.
How long have you been wearing your t-shirt?
I have been wearing my t-shirt since morning.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 8 a.m. today.
Have you brought your pen?
Yes, I have brought my pen.
Will you go to the market tomorrow?
No, I will not go to the market tomorrow.
Can you drink 1 liter of water in 2 minutes?
Yes, I can drink 1 liter of water in 2 minutes.
Should you know more about modal verbs?
Yes, I should know more about modal verbs.
Did you used to ride the bicycle in your childhood?
Yes, I used to ride a bicycle in my childhood.
Is there any water bottle on that table?
No, there is no water bottle on that table.
How long you been standing there?
I have been standing here for 5 minutes.
Need you buy a new clothes?
Yes, I need to buy new clothes.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning.
Why do you study English?
I study English to get good marks in my exam.
Ought we to follow traffic rules?
Yes, we ought to follow traffic rules.
Is New Year party celebrated in our institute?
Yes, New Year party is celebrated in our institute.
Was he punished for coming late yesterday?
No, he was not punished for coming late yesterday.
Could you ride a bicycle at the age of 7?
Yes, I could ride a bicycle at the age of 7.
Did you used to read a book daily when you were 8?
Yes, I used to read a book daily when I was 8.
Need sir buy a new laptop?
No, sir, need not buy a new laptop.
Should he do exercise daily?
Yes, he should do exercise daily.
Can India win T20 World Cup this year?
Yes, India can win T20 World Cup this year.
May Shahid attend the class tomorrow?
Yes, Shahid may attend the class tomorrow.
Dare you talk with your parents loudly?
No, I dare not talk to my parents loudly.
Can I take your football for 1 week?
Yes, you can take my football for 1 week.
Can I use your blue pen please?
Yes, you can use my blue pen.
In which class do you study?
I study in 6th class.
Can you eat 10 packets of biscuit at once?
Yes, I can eat 10 packets of biscuit at once.
Did she have to complete her homework on time?
Yes, she had to complete her homework on time.
Who built Taj Mahal?
The Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan.
Dare you have confidence to present your speech in front of 20,000 students?
Yes, I dare have confidence to present my speech in front of 20,000 students.
Ought we to help beggars?
Yes, we ought to help beggars.
How many subjects can you do in a day?
I can do 2 subjects in a day.
Which sport do you like most? Cricket, hockey, or football?
I like football most.
Will your school sports teacher have been replaced with another teacher by next month?
I don't know.
Are you good at sports?
No, I'm not good at sports.
Did you wake up at 6 a.m. yesterday?
Yes, I woke up at 6 a.m. yesterday.
Were you watching movie at 5 p.m. yesterday?
No, I was not watching movie at 5 p.m. yesterday.
Were you and his brother fighting at 2 p.m. yesterday?
No, I and his brother were not fighting with each other at 2 p.m. yesterday.
Will you go to school at 12 noon tomorrow?
No, I will not go to school at 12 noon tomorrow.
How many pillars are there in our institute?
There are 6 pillars in our institute.
What time does your father go to work?
My father goes to work at 8 a.m.
What time did you play volleyball yesterday?
I didn't play volleyball yesterday.
When did you visit your village last time?
I visited my village last year.
Which car do you like most?
I like Mercedes most.
Where will you visit during summer holiday?
I will visit my village during summer vacations.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
Are you talking with each other?
No, I am not talking with each other.
How long you been studying in the school?
I have been studying in the school for 6 years.
Have you completed your English course?
No, I haven't completed my English course.
What time did you take your breakfast today?
I took my breakfast at 8:30 a.m. today.
Were you going to temple at 9 a.m. today?
No, I was not going to temple at 9 a.m. today.
How long had you been sleeping yesterday?
I had been sleeping from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. yesterday.
Had you completed your 12 rules in 3 months?
Yes, I had completed my 12 rules in 3 months.
Will you go to your grandmother's house tomorrow?
No, I will not go to my grandmother's house tomorrow.
Why do you come to tuition?
I come to tuition to study.
How many marks did you get in your last exam?
I got 80% marks in my last exam.
Who is the Prime Minister of India now?
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India now.
Are you standing?
Yes, I am standing.
Do you obey your parents?
Yes, I obey my parents.
Can you learn 2 science chapter at once?
Yes, I can learn 2 science chapter at once.
Do you like to eat food?
Yes, I like to eat food.
What do you like to eat in the food?
I like to eat pizza.
Did you used to watch cartoon series in your childhood?
Yes, I used to watch cartoon serials in my childhood.
Did you go to market yesterday?
No, I didn't go to market yesterday.
Will she be my classmate?
Yes, she will be your classmate.
Will you have a car bike next year?
Yes, I will have a car by next year.
Will you stand in the class tomorrow?
No, I will not stand in the class tomorrow.
Were you watching PK movie at home at 2 p.m. yesterday?
No, I was not watching PK movie at home at 2 p.m. yesterday.
Do you have an extra book?
No, I don't have an extra book.
What were you doing in the tuition yesterday?
I was studying in the tuition yesterday.
Which day do you go to park?
I go to park on Sunday.
When do you study?
I study at 3 p.m.
What time do you come back from tuition?
I come back from tuition at 7:30 p.m.
Can you eat 5 chapati at once?
Yes, I can eat 5 chapatis at once.
Did you have to go to the market yesterday?
Yes, I had to go to market yesterday.
May it snowfall in Delhi?
No, it may not snowfall in Delhi.
Must you drink Complan to grow up fast?
No, I must not drink Complan to grow fast.
Do you like to do project in your school?
Yes, I like to do project in my school.
Were you playing badminton at 7 p.m. yesterday?
No, I was not playing badminton at 7 p.m. yesterday.
Have you played football?
Yes, I have played football.
How long have you been studying in this institute?
I have been studying in this institute for 1 hour.
Did you play hockey yesterday?
Yes, I played hockey yesterday.
Are you playing football in the park?
No, I'm not playing football in the park.
Did he have a bicycle in his childhood?
Yes, he had a bicycle in his childhood.
अगर हम पीयूष को इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा सकते हैं तो किसी को भी इंग्लिश बोलना सिखा सकते हैं। आप डरे नहीं। अगर आपको किसी भी वजह से इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आई तो हम आपकी पूरी फीस वापस कर देंगे। तो चिंता किस बात की, आज ही एडमिशन लें।
Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.